Welcome. In today's quick guide, you'll learn how to send a message on Telegram using the latest version of the app. Whether you're new to Telegram or just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step walkthrough will have you messaging in seconds. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're inside, you'll see your list of chats on the main screen. These could be conversations with friends, family, or groups you've joined. Take a moment to find the chat you want to send a message to, then tap on it to open the conversation. Now that you're inside the chat, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a text box where you can type your message. Tap on that box and your keyboard will appear. Go ahead and type whatever you want to say. It could be a simple hello, a question, or even a longer message. Telegram handles it all smoothly. After you've written your message and you're happy with it, the next step is to send it. On the right side of the text box, you'll see a small paper plane icon. This is the send button. Just tap that icon once and your message will instantly be delivered to the chat. That's all there is to it. Open the chat, type your message, and tap send. Telegram makes staying connected fast and easy, whether you're chatting one-on-one or in a group. Give it a try and start a conversation today.